Oh, hello, what do you call me? Want to trade places? Oh, I do! There goes the sequel! What on earth do I deserve that for? Catastrophe! Well, looks like a student day. No. Rock and roll! This is very unstable. Apocalypse! It's the entire world as we know it. Choose something else. The end is here. No, not that. I want to put that back. Oh my God, help me! Oh, my biscuits are burning. You're a bad person. I'm out. Stop! Siri, where's the nearest hospital? Oh! What's wrong with you? Don't! That's not right. I gotta pull myself together. You got anything I could read for a few minutes? Look, it's different garbage in here. Oh, the earth moved for me. Mayday! It's a never-ending story! Cataclysm! Enough! Stop! Hey, what? No. Post-traumatic stress disorder. Oh, the pain! Stop, flop, and roll. You're a bad person. Want to trade places? No. I'm gonna check out some of the other apps, alright? Open the window! Ow! You know of any puppet modeling agencies? I'm burning! Oh, my biscuits are burning! Siri, call the ambulance! I'm a pirate, arr! Just kidding. You're killing me! Feed him up! I don't know it! I wish it would last forever. Matryoshka! Weirdly awful! Hold the phone steady. I'm gonna take a bit of a nap. Stop! You got anything I could read for a few minutes? No. Nothing is safe. It's a never-ending story. Weirdly awkward. That's not good. Matryoshka. I live in a box. Something else. Open the window. Biggie, stop. Siri, call the ambulance. I'm a pirate. Just kidding. Whoa. Oh, please, stop. No, please. No. Hey, it's time to hurt somebody. Put it back. Yeah, just put it back. Oh, excuse me. That's not good.